Hello guys, I would like to review this brand. So this brand actually getting a lot of traffic and I mean a lot of views on their Instagram, but the problem is when a customer click on over here, they actually not getting sales. So they are also have a very good followers. So this brand can earn per day $1,000 per day, but the problem is the Instagram shop, Etsy shop, nothing actually good. Okay, so that is the issue. Okay, so whenever I actually comment on over here, you see their side link is broken. So if you're actually making this kind of problem, oh now it's working, but previously it wouldn't work. That's a very good option. But if they brand actually also could be website on Shopify, they can actually run the ads, they can get more sales. Okay, so you see they actually getting a lot of sales. So this brand more than 5 years in the Etsy. So I will recommend you should also create this kind of Shopify website that actually run the ads so you can scale your business 10x faster. Okay, you can target a specific audience, a specific country. So that's the thing. So I would recommend to do that so that you can get most of the most sales. So you see this brand actually even not posting every single day, but this brand also getting a lot of traffic. Why? Because they have a very good followers. So we also manage Instagram, so I mean use social media. If you want, you can come to our agency website. We are offering free Shopify store. If you want, you can claim it, and then you can explore our full e-commerce system. So initially we build up your Shopify store, and then we'll set up a social media, and then we'll create content using AI, we'll run Facebook ads, we'll start email marketing, and then we'll track and grow your business. Okay. So that is our process. So you can start with free, okay, with the 5 products. So if you want, you can feel free to come to our agency website. We are still working on it. So our agency website, as you can see, this is our agency website called pdbarbs.com. So for now it's still working. So that's why it is taking time. Okay. So guys, if you want, you can comment below, you can message me on WhatsApp. I will also give my WhatsApp link in the description. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.